Hey everyone, this is Chinmay back again, and in this video I just want to talk about something I want to do, and it's a Golang bootcamp for 1 month. So this video is just a very quick, fast and introductory video about the bootcamp, like what I'm planning to do and since when it is going to start. So I'm just planning to start this bootcamp as soon as possible. So okay, so for before starting with the contents of the bootcamp for 1 month, I can tell you that for the more in-depth details or the information, you need to contact me on my WhatsApp or my email, and which are in the description. So first of all, roughly in this bootcamp, I'm going to start with Golang, and I'm not going to start with the very basics of Golang, but I will be having a very fast-paced introduction for Golang. So introduction will be there of Golang, specifically the specific features of Golang, like concurrency. Second, I just want to we will be writing an HTTP server with Golang using Gin framework. So second is an HTTP server with Gin framework. Third, we will scale this HTTP server up to 1 million requests. So we will try to see that if our server can handle 1 million requests or not, and then we'll go up to 5 million, and we'll try to measure the performance as well. Then we will be integrating the database layer. So database layer will be there, okay, and then we'll try to save 1 million DB records, 1 million DB records, and I'm going to use Postgres as DB. Postgres DB. Okay. Fifth, in this bootcamp, I want to do something like, okay, then we will be having an authentication, like session-based authentication using Firebase. I mean, there are two ways to have to integrate the authentication layer. First is the JWT, and the second is with the session based. So I like the session based one. So we'll be doing integrating session based auth layer to our server. The same server, we will start with a very simple HTTP server, and then over the day by day we will keep enhancing the server by adding a few more layers, like the database layer, security layers, and then the logging layer. So we'll be having a session based auth layer. We'll be integrating it, and we'll be using Firebase admin SDK for the authentication, where we can use session based and the JWT token based authentication. So Firebase admin SDK. Sixth, I want to do. So now we are done with the HTTP server. Now we are done with the server scalability. Then we are done with the database layer, and now the authentication layer. Now we'll be adding loggings. So we will be integrating a logging layer. Integration of logging layer. So what we'll be doing with the logging layer, we'll just be logging each and every single request in a very production grade manner and an appropriate way to understand every single request and response for the debugging purpose whenever there will be an error. So this is a very common and standard production technique. When you work with highly scalable servers, you have to have logging layer. So request and response logging. Okay, now we have server, we have database integration, we have authentication integration, we have the logging integration. Now we'll come to the gRPC server. So we will be integrating a gRPC server layer. So we'll also make this HTTP server a gRPC server, and the gRPC server, the basic gRPC server, basic one first. Then we will create another Golang project as gRPC client, another Golang project as gRPC client. Okay, why do we need it? We need another gRPC client in Golang to test our gRPC server with some scalability. So next, after having another Golang project as a gRPC client, we will be testing a gRPC server again up to the 1 million gRPC client request, like the you can say like request response streams. So we will try 1 million gRPC request and response streams. So we'll be testing it. Okay, now next, once we are done with the 1 million gRPC request response, so we'll be doing the same thing. We'll be just having some client requests from the gRPC client, gRPC. I mean, we'll be having a communication between gRPC client and server, and then we'll try to save again 1 million DB records using gRPC. So previously we will be like we were saving records in the DB using HTTP, and we were testing the scalability, but this time we'll be doing the same but with the gRPC, not the HTTP. Next, what do need to do? Okay, in the end I will be introducing you the test in Golang, like how to set up test. So we will be setting a test setup. We will be setting a test database, because you have to have a testing database when you write test. So test DB, test logging, yeah, and then we'll be writing test for a simple HTTP server. And for the gRPC, of course I'm not going to write all the tests with you, then that will be task for you as a homework. But yeah, I will be writing a test setup and few tests, and then you have to carry on from there. So with that being said, in the like 10 points, first start with the Golang introduction and focus on the concurrency. Then we'll be having an HTTP server engine, then we'll be having an HTTP server, and we will try to scale it up to 1 million and then to the 5 million. Then HTTP database layer, then again we will try to save database records in DB up to 1 million using PostgreSDB. Then we'll be using an authentication layer, which will be session based auth layer. Maybe most probably we'll be using firebase session based authentication using firebase admin SDK. Then we'll be integrating a logging layer to log all the requests and the responses. Then we'll be having a gRPC server, the basic one, and then we'll be creating a Golang project as a gRPC client to test our gRPC server with a 1 million or 1 decline streams, which are like request response streams. I mean, yeah, we most probably will be we won't be doing the real-time streams, but we'll be doing the request response streams. Once like where you send a request and then you get a response. Then we'll be trying to scale that gRPC server up to the 1 million, and we will push it with the Golang concurrency as much as we can. And then in the end, we will be setting up the test for our Golang server, both for the HTTP and the gRPC, and I will be helping you with the setting up test DB, and the setting up test logging. And then we'll be wrapping it up as our Golang Bootcamp. So this bootcamp will be for 1 month only. So there will be daily things or the interaction between us from Monday to Friday. Okay. So Monday to Friday I'll be with you for some time, daily up to a month most probably, and we will try to wrap it up within a month. I'm creating a document for this, and with this video in the description I will also be attaching that document, or maybe I will upload the video first and then I will be attaching the document in the description. So that's the plan. So this is going to be extreme 1 month Golang bootcamp where you will be learning each and every single thing you need to become a very good job ready Golang person who knows how to write HTTP server, how to scale them, how to log, how to apply authentication, how to apply testing, and how to work with gRPC.